Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome as well. So before we start with this video, I would like to encourage you to subscribe, to like and comment, and yes, let's keep on watching. So the first thing that I'm going to do is to use this orangey lipstick on my eyes. I know you guys like it's crazy, but yeah, we are using lipstick on our eyes. That is because on this day, guys, I really left everything behind at my place and I really wanted to film something, and I was so far away I couldn't even go back because I was in another province. Okay, that is too much information, but yeah, I was in another province and I left most of my utensils. That's why within this video I will be using most of the brushes that I came in with that I normally do not use. So yeah, I think I only had this brush for my eyes, so I was like, you know what, let me just use lipstick. Plus it's winter and we are encouraged to use liquid or something that is not powdery, so I thought let's use lipstick today, and I call this video let's get creative with me. So yeah, I'm just using that brush. I don't even know, like it doesn't move whatsoever. It's like a very terrible brush, but guys, I had to make it work. So the next thing that I'm going to use is this You Better Work Essence primer. I love this, you guys. It's winter. I know you're not supposed to use mattifying products, but this product is like, it's not really too mattifying. It closes my pores. It's so a bit hydrating. I don't understand the texture of this baby, but yeah, I definitely love to use it during this winter. You know, I do encourage you to moisturize, drink water, and always be hydrated for your skin to look better this time. So I'm going in with this mascara by Maybelline, and I'm just gonna coat my eyes, you know. And yeah, so I really love this look because it was really quick. So yeah, I'm going in with my Essence glue that I reviewed on my previous video. If you want to watch that, please to go to my previous video and watch. Yes, I do love to apply the glue on my eyes. That is because it is easier that way, and you know, it saves me time. So yeah, if you also want to see how I apply my lashes, if you want to see a detailed video, also just scroll down and watch that. Also check it on my description box that I'll just link this video down there. So I'm going in with the Super Stay foundation and a brush. I'm going in with a brush and another brush that, like, guys, I just had to make this work. I'm not really used to brushes, you know. I'm used to sponges and stuff, but yeah. So I'm going in with this Maybelline Fit Me concealer, and this one is in color number 30. I'm just gonna use it to highlight my face, and going back to that small brush that will take you the longest time to blend everything. So yeah, I'm just like, guys, I was patient enough because I was keen to do this video, and I was like, why not? Because I had the time to do so, and I was like, I feel like the lighting is doing well, so like, why not, let's just film this video. Because the previous upload I didn't, guys, which was on Tuesday. Couldn't upload because I was too caught up, so I was like, let me film something real quick for you guys, and you know, so that you do not miss my face at all. So I'm going in with this Black Radiance contouring powder. It's like two products, like a contour and highlight, which the highlight is not gonna work on me, so I just love to use the contouring color. And I'm just gonna use that small brush that I'm using, and I'm just gonna blend it out. And you guys, like, I just was like, I love this. I was like, this is so beautiful on me. Like, usually I would think that this color is too dark. I don't know if you guys can believe me that I'm sometimes really scared to contour with too much cream. I normally love to use powders, but I was like, you know what, let me just go in with this. And I'm trying to, you know, use contouring, what is it called, sticks, liquids, before powder, and I feel like it's really working on me. So yeah, so this is the step that I normally go in with, which is the Black Radiance contour palette that I really love, and I'm using light to medium color, and I'm just gonna use my Black Radiance brush, guys. There is no handle missing, it just came like this. So yeah, I'm just gonna use that to, you know, blend everything and contour, you know, setting that contour on my face. And yeah, I don't know, wink. So now I'm going with a powder, guys. This is an eyeshadow, and it's a white eyeshadow, and I decided to use it, you know. Yeah, so you gotta use what you have at the moment. So yeah, I was just gonna use that, you know. I used that to highlight, to set my highlight with. It worked really great. And yeah, so I'm going back to that Black Radiance powder, and I'm just gonna use the smaller brush to set my nose. Is it setting? No, I didn't even contour. So let me say I'm using it to contour my nose. I'm snatching that, and I love to take my contour into my eyebrows so that I have this nice dimension. And you know, my eyebrows tend to look way better when I do this, so I extend that to my brows. I'm going in with my Wet n Wild lipstick that I really love. Well, I do not encourage you guys to wear this during winter because it can be too drying. I can encourage you guys to top this with a liquid gloss or anything of such, but I was going to wear this lippy for the shortest time, and during the day it was not too cold, so I would just get away with that. But during winter, just stay away from this lipstick because it's too drying, you know. So I'm just brushing that powder out. Is it out or off of my face? And I feel like I was done with this look. The next thing that I did, y'all, was to just go back to the lipstick. Well, after the dances, of course. Whoa, oh, whoa, stop. I actually went in with a blusher. How can I forget this step? I went in with a blusher, and I'm using the Hermosa Floor, the pink color. And guys, I know it's an eyeshadow, but I tend to use eyeshadows as my blusher because they really look good. And how can I forget this step to highlight my face? Yo, I'm just like ready to go to the lipstick part, but I'm so sorry, you guys. So yeah, I did go in with my fan brush that I don't recommend. It's by Color. It's too fluffy. I don't really like it. Like you may want to find another fluffy brush for that, for fan brush for that. So yeah, I'm just using the Black Radiance highlighter to highlight my cheeks, my nose, my forehead, my mouth, my eyebrows. Yeah, and that's so that we give ourselves a bit of glow. So yes, this is the step that I was waiting for. Going back to that lipstick, yo, this lipstick is from, what is it from? I think it's by Design. Yes, I think it's by Design. It's like an orangey color. I'm just gonna use it to set my under eyes and go back with the mascara from Maybelline and make sure that everything is coated. But overall, you guys, I really loved this eyes. Like, I was like, that was quick, and the look really looks good. Like, I was like, I'm gonna start using lipsticks as my eyeshadows. Guys, if you're gonna use the lipstick on your lips, please do sanitize. Or you're gonna use, like, every time you use a lipstick on your eyes, back to your mouth, back to your eyes, please do try to sanitize. Even if you're not gonna do that, well, we are encouraged to sanitize, but yeah, just sanitize. And yes, that is my final look. And don't ask me why I'm in front of a microwave, but yeah, that is that. So that is the final look, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, to like and comment, and you guys, I will see you on the next one. Bye.